What is flashback? So, flashback is going to be using the past to show on the same storyline something important that happened in the past that's paralleled with the present, with what you're talking about now. The CW Arrow, for me, is one of the best TV shows that use flashback because every episode you get a flashback of whatever the main plot of the story is during that episode. There's a reason for it, and it leads back to the island where Oliver Queen was on. And because of that, you get to learn, you get a key important information, right? When you use flashback, you only want to use it if there's important information that will push or propel your story forward. Right? This is information you need to know, and the best way to do it without using dialogue for exposition is to do a flashback. So then when it flashes back, it will lead off with your plot that you're currently using to help you go push towards the end of your story, right? So remember, flashback only if it's necessary, only if it's information that will be pushing or propelling your story forward, and don't do it unnecessarily because then it's just throwing literary devices wherever you want, and that's not how you properly use literary devices. If you want to see that, you can check out one of my long forms, literary device, to see more about the different types of literary devices and also how to properly use them, right? So again, flashbacks, use them sparingly if it only pushes your story forward, and it has to be paralleled with it. You can't just be throwing random flashbacks for no reason. It has to have a reason in your story.